Okay, so once we have entered into the Zoom meeting, we can teach students through various ways. So let's see first the screen sharing method. So we will click on to this share screen method. And if I want to, for example, share the assignment. So for that, what we need to do is first, you just go to the assignment where go to the folder where your assignment is there. So yes, so you've opened this. Now you can go to Zoom and then go to share screen and you can see your assignment page is there. So you can just click there, and this way you can share your assignment or PPT if you want to teach. Like for example, if this is the first question, so you can ask student how this question can be done, and everybody can concentrate on this, as well as they can answer you or they can just see things. So this is one of the method. How to do stop sharing? There is a button out here in red, so you need to click onto it and then stop sharing will be done. Now if you want to use as a blackboard, so you can just click on to share screen and whiteboard here. Your whiteboard will be opened. So if you need to write anything with the running hand, you need to select at the draw and the type of pen you want. So if I have selected on this, and then you can just write like what is air question mark. So you can just write air is, and so on. This way you can just write things, and erase is this. You can also insert text if you want to, like this is a science class and so on. So this type you can share your blackboard kind of thing, whiteboard in fact, not blackboard. Again, you can stop sharing this. Then the third option what you have is like you can just go on to chat thing, and if you want to like spread some message to everybody, like everyone need to mute his voice or something like that. If you want to give a message to everybody, so you can give the message like this. If reactions can be given, like yes to the students if they are responding well. So if in the midway somebody is joining or somebody got disconnected and is joining again, you will get a message like this here, and you need to click to admit. And once you click on to admit, the person will be joining you and it will show here, right? You can also record the session by clicking on to record thing here button. Once you've clicked on to record, your screen and everything will be recorded, and you can use this for further doubt classes, or if the student want to view it again and again or something like that. Once you have done with the recording, you can click on to pause or stop recording. This is for pause and this is for stop. Once you have clicked to the stop recording, there will be folder created with Zoom name, and you will have that video audio as well for this recording, right? You can search for the Zoom folder on your PC, and once you have searched the Zoom folder on your PC, you click onto that, you will have the folders created. So you can just click on to one of them and play those to see
to
whether
record
what
thing here
folder it
button.
is. Okay, so we
once you clicked on to
this.
record, your
This is a
screen
video record. If you just want the audio
to
of
record
that
thing here button.
so
once you
have
clicked
here
on to record,